Greetings, my people. Let's make lemon mandazi. Lemon mandazi. Welcome to my YouTube channel at McLean987_KE, guys. Welcome. Kindly watch my video, subscribe, like, share. If you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. For my returning subscriber, thank you so much. God bless you. Kindly join me as I make this lemon mandazi. So people, here I have my bowl for mixing my dough. I have my baking powder, I have my cinnamon, I have my margarine, I have my salt, sugar, baking flour, and of course I have my zest, lemon zest, because we are making mandazi, lemon mandazi, or mandazi lemon, I don't know, lemon mandazi here. So guys, join me as I do this. Here I have my flour, then I'll add baking powder, I'll add baking powder, I'll add my cinnamon, I'll add my pinch of salt, just a little bit. I'll add sugar, then I'll mix sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. And then I'll add my zester. Zest, not zester, zest. Lemon zest. I'll mix. I'll add my margarine. Now I'll use my hand to mix everything. I'll add my 1 egg, just direct. 1 egg. I will mix using my hand. Using my hand. Now I'll add milk bits by bits. Bits by bits. Now I want to start cooking my mandazi, my lemon mandazi. My lemon mandazi, make sure it's circle, then just cut it into 4 like that, guys. Then I have to cook my mandazi. So far so good, turning out to be good mandazi, lemon mandazi. I'm still continuing. Mandazi Christmas, early Christmas. Usiweke ndani.
Let me help you. Just help you to pass.
Thank you.
Like that. I love how you shape your mandazi. That's like
Somebody told me in Philippines. Now people, here is my mandazi. Kindly rate my mandazi, people. Rate my lemon mandazi. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I don't take you for granted. For my new subscribers, welcome. Have a seat and feel free to comment, to leave a like, or a comment, guys, below there. Thank you so much. As for now, I'll say bye. See you on the next vlog. Bye.